70, 70 to 80, like this diagram is there. Okay, so this is the network diagram. Now we have to find out the critical path. So one more thing is there, instead of going for forward and backwards, the sometimes you can find out the critical path by addition of the duration time. So in order to complete this project from this position to this, we can go like this way. Addition of all the yours times of that activity is the duration will required. Now after this, you can go like this way. After that, you can go like this way. You can go like this. So among this, which is the longest path, longest duration, but logically we can calculate by using forward and backward path. So first of all, you can make like this every node or event. Okay. So in this, this is called ES. This is called ES. ES means earliest activity, and this is the LC. LC means latest computation time for this activity. So this is the same for all. This is the same for all. So this earliest start times, bottom square of each nodes you have to consider, bottom nodes. Okay. So now what is the formula for this forward path? What is the formula for forward path? So we can note down the formula for forward path. Forward path. This is equal to forward path. So ESZ. ESZ means next tail end activity in bracket, but before that maximum. So forward path maximum. Why this maximum is there? Whenever two activities are there, for example, this and this activity, which is the maximum that you have to consider. So that's why maximum is there. So in bracket, earliest start time minus the plus, that is the duration. DZI means duration. Okay. And backward path, the backward path that is equal to LCI minimum in bracket LCZ minus DZ. There it is I. LCZ. Okay. So initially you have to consider, here it is 0, 0. Initially you have to consider 0, 0. So 0, 0 initially you have to consider. So what is the first activity? 10 to 20. 10 to 20. 10 to 20. So you can use this formula ESI. So this ESI is this one, plus DZ means this activity. How much here? 8. So you can write 8. Okay. After that, 10 to 30. So 10 to 30. How much there? 10 to 30. 10 to 30. So this plus this activity 10. So this is our 10 to 40. 10 to 40, again here 60 will be there. 10 to, which is the maximum that now here in this there is one activity and this is the second, means to reach this point one activity is like this is this. So out of this, which is the maximum that you have to consider? Here 10 plus 7, 17 plus the 0 plus 16 plus 0, 16, which is the maximum? 17. So here you can write 70. So here 10 to 40, this is worse. Then 15 to 20 to 50. So 20 to 50, 20 to 50. So here, which two activities are there? 17, 18. So here 17 plus 18, 8 plus 11. 8 plus 11, 19. 17 plus 80, how much are 25? Which is the maximum? This. So here you can write here 40 to 50. Correct? So 20 to 50 or 20 to 40. 30 to 40. Already this 30 to, again activities are there. So here 12 plus 10, 22. 12 plus 10, 22. And 8 plus 17, how much? 25, which is the maximum that you have. 17 plus 8, 25. 10 plus 22, which is the maximum? 25. Here you can write 20. So 40 to 60, this is worse. Then 60 to 17. 60 to 17. 40 to 16. So out of this, so you will consider this here. So two activities are there under the 17. So which is the maximum that you have to consider? So 18. So here 25 plus 6, 31. And 25 plus 18. So 25 plus 8, 43. So which is maximum here? 43. This is a 31, but this is 43. Here you can write 43. 43. Correct? And after this last two activities are there. So this and this. 11 plus 25. 11 plus 25, 36. And 43 plus 8. 43 plus 8, how much? 51. So which is the maximum? 51. So here you can write 51. 51. Correct? So up to here it is clear? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is called forward pass. This is called forward pass. Now we have to come back. That is backward pass. When backward pass is there, you can make use of this. Correct? Backward pass is there, you can make use of this. So initially, whatever value is there, same value here you can write 51. Okay, but while going, minimum value you have to consider. For example, here 80 to 17. 80 to 17. So here LCJ is this. Okay, let us complete. Minus duration, minus the duration. How much here? 43. Correct? So here you can write 43. 43. Okay. After this, you come to this 15 node, this node. So what is the LCC? 51. 51 minus 11. How much here? How much here? 51 minus 11. 40. Then here again one more activity is there here like this way. So 43 and 6. So which is the minimum that you have had? The two activities are there here and this one. Okay. So this 51 minus 7, 40 here, 43 minus 6. 43 minus 6. How much here? 37. Okay, which is the minimum, either 40 or 37? 37. So here you can write 37. Correct. Now you come to next. Here, come to this 60. 43 minus 8. 18. 43 minus 18. 43 minus 18. How much here? 5. 25. So only one activity is there. So here there should be 25. Okay. Now you come to next sequence wise. So this activity. So here LC 37. So 37. What is the duration? 11. So how much here? 6 and 26. Correct. So this is the 26 here. You can write 26. Okay. Now here 14 two activities are there. Correct. So out of this, which is the minimum that you have to consider? 25 minus 18, 8, 17, and the 37 minus 8, which is the, maybe here this 37 minus 8 maximum, 25, 8, this is the minimum. So here you can write 70. Correct. Okay, now which is remaining? This is remaining. This is remaining. So here again here two activities are there. Two activities. Out of this you have to decide a minimum. So here 25 minus 12. So how much here? 3, 1, 3. Correct. Now here's 7. 17 minus 7. So here it is a 10. Which is the minimum? This 10 is minimum here. You can write 10. Okay. Now from this you have to find out the equal value, and that is your critical path. That is your critical path. So here's equal value is this one. After that this one. After that this one. After that this one. After that this one, and so you can mark the line. This is your critical path. So this is your critical path. So here critical path. Critical path 10 to 40. 40 to now you can calculate duration 10 to 40, 60, 60 this one, How much duration is there? 8. 3 to 70, 18. So this is 18. And 70 to 88. So this, if you make this total, then this will become the project duration. So here 16 to 18, 8. So 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 8, 32. 32 plus 18, 50. So answer is 50. So this is the your total times required to complete this project. This is the total times required to complete this project. Okay. So this is called backward pass. Okay, up to here, forward and backward pass. Have you got the concept? Shall I move next? Hello? So, next part is your total float and free float. That you have to calculate because this is your fourth example. Total float and free floats you have to calculate, and corresponding you can write there total float plus free float. Okay. So how to calculate total float and free float? You can rearrange this activity, and yes, you can make the total float and free float. So what is the formula for total float? Total float is equal to, what is the total float is equal to? Latest completions activity J minus earliest start times I minus duration. So this is the total float. And free float, this is equal to earliest J minus earliest I minus Dij. So each activity you have to calculate total float, free float. Again, same thing will be there. So that means this activity is critical. You have to concentrate. So there is no time, and because of that, the project duration will not get effect. So which are the importance activity, which are the critical activity, that we have to decide by using this float. Float means that activity can be delayed. Means activity having the float, that activity can be delayed without affecting total project time. Correct? So this is the total float and free float. You can make the column of this, and by using this each activity you can calculate total float and free float. For example, activity 10 to 20. How to calculate float, total float? LCJ. So this minus duration means 26 minus 0 means this one minus 8. So how much here? 18. So for this activity 18 is, and total float, how to calculate total float? This minus this minus this, this plus this minus this, free float. So when float and free floats are equal, then this activity is called critical activity. Total float and free float is 0, then it is called critical activity. So you have to calculate the total float and free float. Total float, how you have to calculate? Make this cross, highest minus lowest minus duration. This is the total float. Free float, lowest minus duration. Lowest minus duration. their lowest minus duration. But if you total float, highest activity highest minus lowest minus duration. This formula you have to use. Correct? So this is called the total float and free float. And whenever total float and free floats are zero, then activities are critical. Same answer will be there. So these, these, these activities are critical. So you have to concentrate on these activities so that there should not be delay in total time project. Total time is 50. So this is about the uh, critical path methods examples number 4. Now after this we'll take last example, and then we'll go to the next part, that is the PERT evaluation and review technique. Okay. So anybody having any doubt, etc., you can ask. Any doubt is there? This total float and free float, you have to calculate. Last time we have taken this example, and that is very easy. Total float, how to calculate? This minus duration. And free float, lower minus duration. Each activity you have to calculate. Correct? And whenever total float and free float are zero, that activity is critical. This much only you have to remember. So, okay, shall we go for next problems? Hello? Hello, shall we go for next problems? Last problem. Is there any doubt?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anybody having any doubt? Okay, shall we go for next? Hello? Hello? Shall we go for next problem? No response from your side. Hello? It is clear. Shall we go for next problems?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So this is the problems, activity, dependence, and duration is given. So first, same question will be there. Network diagrams, duration, critical path, free float, and total float. Every this CPM problems, critical path method, this CPM, always the same question will be there. Draw the network diagram, find out the critical path, project duration, total float, and free float. This much question will be there for any problem. And like these problems always be in your GATE exam, university exam, critical path method. So let us start with the diagrams, this network diagrams or the project diagrams. We'll see the network diagram. So let us start from the A. So what is the A? A will start from what is the previous one. These are the previous one activity and this is the next activity. So this is the previous, this is the next. So here before A there is no activity. So that's why this is the 1. So this activity, this is the A. And what is the duration of this? In bracket you can write 4. Here you can make 2. 1, 2. Correct. Now after that B will start. B will, so where is the B? B is depends upon A. B is depend of. So here is the A, end of the A. So B will start from this. So this is your B. And here you can make this side. What is the B2? Duration is the 2. You can write here 2. Duration of B, that is the 2. Okay. After this, next C will start from A, B and F. C will start from A, B and F. Okay. Now where is F? F is here. Okay. F is here. So this activity you have to consider first. So F will start from A. So F will start from A. F will start from A. So this is the F. What is the F? Duration of F is 1. Now C activity. Now F we have calculated is this F. F we have decided it is starting from A. Here is the end of A. Now F we have got. Now C. A, B, F. A, B, F. So A, B and F. From this C will start. But B is this side. F is this side. A is here. So how can make that C? 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 C will start from A, B, F. Now A is here, B is here, and F is here. Whenever this situation will be there, so you have to connect by dummy activity. So this is the dummy activity. And duration is the 0. So this node will be there. So arrow you have to show. Here is the arrow. Okay. Now after this means this is over, this is over, this is over, this is over, and this is over. Now next G and C, D activity is there. CL, this is L, no? CL. So D will start from CL, but C that is start from ABC. Means here B is here, F is there, as well as A is there. So C will start here. So this is your C. What is the activity? C duration is the 2, and here the C will be there. C will be there. Correct. And from C means our this is over. F is over. Now D. D will start from C and L. Where is L? We don't know. D will start from C and L. C is here. L we don't know. Find out L. Where is that L? L is here. L is the backside of this is backside. L. F and K. F and K is there. Where is the K? L will start from F and K. F we have. But where is the K? K will start from what? K will start from A. K will start from A. So here is the K. K will start from this. This is the K. And what is the duration? 5. So this duration is 5. Now K and F should be one place. K and F should be one. So here is F, here is the K. You don't have here, you can make dummy activity. So here is the dummy activity, dummy. Duration is 0. And now K and F is here. So K and F is there. I am starting there L. So L will start L. So here is the L. L, what is the duration of the L? 3. So here you can write 3. Now D is remaining. D will start from C and L. So here is the C and here is the L. Correct. So D start from C and L. Now we can join this by dummy activity. Now it is the C and L. Correct. And here the D will start. Here the D will start. Let us we consider this D. So D, what is the duration of the D? 6. Means here it is 1. Now E will start from D, G, H. D, where is the D? Might be here, D here. D is there. G, we don't know. Where is the G? G will start from? G will start from H, G, L. Here is the L. This is the L. Correct. Now, E will start from D, G, H. D we already with us. H we don't know. D is with us. G, what about the G? G will start from H. Correct. H and L. L is there. K is there. L, it will start from F. This activity is this is H. H, G and L. Now G and F. G will start from F. So G will start from here. It is the G. So here it is a G. What is the duration of the G? 1. Correct. The duration is 1. Then GF, this is over. H will start from G and L. H will start now. Here is the G, here is the L, and H will start. Means here is again dummy activity, and here the H will be there. So here it is a H. How much here? H, that is the 2. We can make here 2. H is 1. Now E is remaining D, G, H. D, G, H. D, G, H. So D, G and H. So from this your which E will start. E will start. But where is the H? H is given. So here is the H. Here is the activity H. Here is the activity H. Correct. So instead of this, you can make the D like this. Join there. So this is the H. Okay. Now last one, E will start from D, G, H. So D, G, and H is there. So here it is E. E will be there. And what is the duration of the E? 6. Okay. Now numbering is left. Now new idea you will get. Numbering is left. So initially I have given 1 and 2 numbers for this, but after that I have written like this. Now it is expected to give the numbers. Correct. It is expected to give the numbers. So you can use Fulcrum's rules. So one numbers only outgoing activity you have to consider. So this is outgoing one. You can give one numbers and delete this. Okay, you come to this. So from here, how many activities start? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. You neglect and give 2. Okay. Now here outgoing activities here, but incoming there. Don't consider this. After this is the outgoing, this is outgoing. We can select this one. So incoming and outgoing. So which is the first outgoing activity you have to consider? So here it is 1, it is a 2. This you can neglect. Correct, 1, 2, 3. Then you can give the number 2. After that, which are remaining? This one remains. In this 1, 2, 3, where is the outgoing activity? This is the outgoing, this is the incoming. Here is the outgoing, only one. Here is the incoming and outgoing. Only outgoing activity you have to consider. So here you can give 3 numbers or 4 numbers. Which numbers? 3 numbers and outgoing activity you have to delete. So here it is the 3 numbers. Outgoing, this activity delete, this activity delete, this activity. Okay. Now remaining is this and remaining is this. How? This is the first. So out of this, outgoing activity only one. It is also one. Outgoing activity only one. Out of this, you can say only one. So here, suppose I will select it as 4. Five. After that, we go to this. Here, these are the meters. So here, incoming and outgoing. So here, incoming and outgoing. Incoming and outgoing. Out of this, which we have to consider here. 6, 7, 8. So this is the outgoing. Here, activity 2 are outgoing. So that one we have to consider. So here is the 5, and here the 6 is the 6 is here. 6 is here. Only outgoing. And after that, this is the remaining 3 and 3. So here is one activity. So out of this, you can consider anyone. So here I will write 7 and 8. After that, you can delete the 9 and 8. So this is the numbering by using Fulcrum rule. Number, how to give the numbers? This idea I have given. Very simple idea is there. Only outgoing activity you have to consider. For example, I want to give the number here. So all things should be outgoing. Delete for time being you can give the number. Then where the project performs 1, 2, 3. So out of this, which are the outgoing? So here, incoming and outgoing don't consider. There is the outgoing. You can consider this three numbers. This and this and this. After that, we can find next load. There is no initially only outgoing. You can pick the numbering for this. So this is the uh, network diagram for this figure. Okay. Now, related to this, anybody having any doubt? Hello? Any doubt is there? How to give the numbering? This network to repeat this. Hello? Hello? Is it necessary to repeat how to give the numbering? I got the concept. Hello? Hello? Is it necessary to repeat or it's okay? Something to relate? Nobody is there. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Is it necessary to repeat or it is correct? Shall we go for forward and backward path and critical activity time? Anybody having any problems? Shall we go for next? Hello? It is audible or not? Hello? Okay. Okay. Now find out the critical path. So this is the critical path. Longest path. That is not critical. But initially, once you decide anything logically, that get like this. So initially, very quick. You tell me what is here. Calculate. Now I will ask to you for remaining value. What is here? What is here? Hello? Hello. Okay. So by using forward class, how to calculate measure which is the maximum that you have to calculate. And three, three, maximum four, three to four. The math will be that. So we have 5 was then that four to two. Next activity, nine plus three. 9 plus 3, 12. 16. 18 minus 2, 16. Then 18 minus 6, 12. So which is the minimum that you have tried? So here it is the
Well, which is the minimum that you have to consider. 60 minus 5 minus duration. So here it is 9. The, now you can find the full number. Correct. So now you can find out the total time required for this. Total time required. Total time required. So here total duration. This is about the last problem. So I have got this. Okay. So with this, today's go for next lecture that is the fourth concept evaluation and review technique. Okay. So thank you for this listening of today's lecture. So today, really, usually we are having right time and we are completed. So just you can keep this and get the concept. Anybody having any problems, you can ask me. So today we will stop here. Okay, thank you.